Welcome back to YouTube Live at E3, and let's give a huge welcome to the one and only Ninja. We finally broke you away from streaming to come out to E3.
It's hard, man. It's hard.
You've had such an amazing year, and it's been so fun even talking about this, because whenever I text you or try and talk, you're streaming.
Yeah.
I mean, your life, how many hours a day do you stream now?
So it's like on average 10 to 12 hours a day. And then when I have like a break now, and that's usually when I spend, some quality time, have dinner with the wifey, and it's like even that is kind of just taken over now with like 2-3 hours of like meetings and like calls and like just planning stuff. So it's just nuts, man.
So, I mean, tell me about how much your life has changed, because, I first came across you a couple years ago when you were in the Halo scene doing stuff, playing. I feel like, in the past 6 months, everything has changed, right? I mean, tell me what has that felt like for you when you think back to like Christmas last year versus now? I mean, how different is your life?
It's definitely different, but I think just in better ways. Like the only thing that really all this explosiveness has done and all of this like publicity is just kind of made my life more like organized. Like now I have a stricter schedule with streaming. Like I kind of used to just stream where I would be like kind of doing 10-12 hour like long streams, and then I would get off at a certain time like at night randomly. But now it's more like I have set schedules down now. I know when I have my free time. I know when I need to, time with like the wife and the family and stuff like that. So it really has just kind of made me more, I don't know, like mature. I've kind of grown up even more and quicker, and it's fun.
Still streaming in the same room though, right?
Yes, for now. I got a bunch of stuff happening with the stream room. I've been getting so many people. It's pretty messy because I'm getting.
Are you gonna get like a big studio, or what are you gonna do?
No. Just like reworking the basement that I'm in right now. Gonna do some pretty awesome stuff. I haven't really told anyone about it. Kind of just announced it. So, but everyone's telling me to clean it, and I'm like, dude, just wait.
I was gonna say you got to have some little twist coming.
Absolutely.
Lots of people are offering you a ton of gear and stuff. So, you've had amazing moments this year. Fortnite, I think, has been such a huge phenomenon. And I mean, that's like, part of it, but you've had like, obviously everyone remembers that night when you were streaming with Drake.
Right.
How did that all come together?
This is one of my favorite stories to tell because it was just so like natural, right? So I'm just woke up random morning. This is after I kind of started making a lot of content push to Instagram over like Twitter and stuff like that. I wanted to make sure that I was getting my content out there on like every single social media platform. And it was like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock in the morning, and everyone's just saying like, yo, Champagne Papi followed you on Instagram. Champagne Papi. I'm like, I don't know, like, who's Champagne Papi? I didn't know